No.
Okay.
I'm scared.
It's gonna crash.
What is it? Wouldn't you think it would already been making popping sounds?
Maybe if I put it in my hand and...
Well, don't put it in your hand. Take a spoon and peck on it. Like, you know how you do hard-boiled eggs?
Yeah.
That's all you're doing. You're taking the shell off from it.
What's supposed to happen now? It's cracking.
Keep on. Take the shell off.
Huh?
Take the shell off.
It's hot.
Do it.
It's really freaking hot.
Maybe she had water in hers. Yeah, always.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey. Oh my god. That scared the crap out of me. Now what if I would have squeezed that? What if I would have squeezed that egg? That scared me. That could have hit someone in the eye, making no blind.
Oh, how do you replay this?